We interrupt this broadcast to bring you some breaking news.
Apologies for this interruption, but we have some breaking news.
We interrupt this program to bring you an important announcement. We interrupt this programming to bring you some important messages.
We are interrupting this program to deliver an urgent announcement to all citizens of Earth.
We're interrupting your regular programming to bring you an emergency announcement. It is with great urgency that we bring you these following messages.
We interrupt this programming to bring you some rather disturbing messages.